Hello everyone, welcome back to English Listening Room.
Today, we are traveling around Nikko Toshogu in Tochigi.
Nikko Toshogu is a famous shrine connected with Tokugawa Ieyasu.
Tokugawa Ieyasu was an important leader in Japanese history.
This place is known for beautiful gates, carvings, and a deep forest.
The English will be simple and slow.
When a word may feel difficult, we will explain it clearly.
Today's key feeling is ornate beauty.
Ornate means richly decorated.
That word fits Nikko Toshogu very well.
Please listen slowly and enjoy the history.
Let us begin our slow English journey.
Now we are near Shinkyo Bridge.
The red bridge looks beautiful over the river.
This bridge feels like the entrance to a sacred area.
Sacred means connected with religion or deep respect.
A useful word here is bridge.
Bridge means something that connects two places.
The bridge connects the town and the shrine area.
Connect means to join things together.
The river makes the view feel fresh.
Fresh can mean clean, new, or cool.
The red color stands out against the green forest.
Stand out means to be easy to see.
This is a strong opening scene for our trip.
Yes, the bridge tells us that history is about to begin.
Now we are walking through tall cedar trees.
The air feels quiet and serious here.
Serious can mean calm, deep, and not playful.
The trees make the path feel important.
A useful word here is approach.
Approach means the way to a place.
The approach prepares us for the shrine.
Prepare means to get ready.
The forest makes the noise feel far away.
Far away means not near.
This quiet walk gives the video a calm rhythm.
Rhythm means the flow or beat of something.
Before we see the gold, we first feel the forest.
That contrast makes the trip more interesting.
Now we can see the 5-story pagoda.
It rises beautifully among the trees.
A pagoda is a tower often seen at temples or shrines.
5-story means it has 5 levels.
The pagoda adds height to the scene.
Height means how tall something is.
The red color looks strong in the forest.
Strong can mean powerful or easy to notice.
The design is old, but it still feels alive.
Design means the shape and style of something.
We can describe it in simple English.
The pagoda stands tall among the trees.
That sentence is easy and visual.
Visual means easy to picture in your mind.
Now we are looking at the famous 3 monkeys.
They are small, but very memorable.
The monkeys show a famous lesson.
A lesson means something we can learn.
See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil.
Evil means something bad or wrong.
This phrase may sound old, but it is famous.
Famous means many people know it.
A useful word here is carving.
Carving means a shape cut into wood or stone.
These carvings teach a moral idea.
Moral means about right and wrong behavior.
Nikko Toshogu is not only beautiful, it also teaches ideas.
That makes this scene good for English learning.
Now, we are standing in front of Yomeimon Gate.
This gate is very ornate and powerful.
Ornate means richly decorated with many details.
The gate has many colors, shapes, and carvings.
Detail means a small part of something.
Here, every detail feels carefully made.
Carefully means with attention and time.
A useful phrase is, the gate is covered with carvings.
Covered with means something is on many parts of it.
This phrase helps us describe busy designs.
The gate is bright but not simple.
Simple means easy and not complicated.
Yomeimon gives our trip a strong center.
Yes, this is the main visual highlight.
Now we are looking for the sleeping cat.
It is smaller than many people expect.
Expect means to think something will happen or be a certain way.
That makes it fun to find.
A useful word here is hidden.
Hidden means not easy to see.
The sleeping cat is a small hidden highlight.
Highlight means an important or exciting part.
The cat looks peaceful.
Peaceful means calm and quiet.
After the bright gate, this small carving feels gentle.
Gentle means soft, kind, or not strong.
This scene changes the rhythm of the trip.
Yes, a small detail can be very interesting.
Now we are going toward the inner shrine.
The atmosphere becomes quieter here.
Inner means inside or deeper in a place.
The inner shrine is connected with Tokugawa Ieyasu.
Connected with means related to someone or something.
Tokugawa Ieyasu shaped a long period of Japanese history.
Shaped means strongly influenced how something became.
A useful word here is legacy.
Legacy means something important left from the past.
Nikko Toshogu shows Ieyasu's legacy.
That sentence is short but deep.
Deep means having a strong or serious meaning.
Here, history feels close.
That is why this place is more than a photo spot.
Now we are walking on stone steps in the forest.
This scene feels quiet and slow.
Stone steps can make a trip feel historical.
Historical means connected with history.
The moss and trees give the path an old feeling.
Moss is a small green plant that grows on stones or trees.
A useful phrase is, the path feels timeless.
Timeless means it does not feel limited to one time.
That word may be difficult, but it fits this place.
The forest makes the old stones feel alive.
Alive means living or full of energy.
This scene gives us a quiet break.
A quiet break is useful in a long travel video.
It helps the viewer relax before the next highlight.
Now we are visiting Kegon Falls.
The waterfall is powerful and dramatic.
Waterfall means water falling from a high place.
Dramatic means strong and impressive.
The sound of the water fills the air.
Fills the air means it is everywhere around us.
A useful phrase is, the waterfall feels powerful.
Powerful means strong and full of energy.
After many shrine scenes, nature gives us a fresh change.
Fresh change means something new that feels good.
Nikko is not only history, it also has beautiful nature.
That balance makes the trip more complete.
Balance means a good mix of different things.
History and nature work together here.
Now it is time to enjoy Nikko local food.
After walking through history and nature, food feels perfect.
Nikko is known for yuba.
Yuba is a food made from soy milk.
Soy milk means milk made from soybeans.
A useful phrase is, local food completes the trip.
Complete means to make something feel finished.
Local food helps us remember a place.
The taste becomes part of the travel memory.
Travel memory means something we remember from a trip.
Nikko has gold, forest, water, history, and food.
That variety keeps the journey interesting.
Variety means many different kinds of things.
This is a warm ending to our Nikko trip.
Now, let us review today's useful English phrases.
Please listen first, then repeat if you can.
The bridge connects the town and the shrine area.
Connect means to join things together.
The approach prepares us for the shrine.
Prepare means to get ready.
The pagoda stands tall among the trees.
Pagoda means a traditional tower.
These carvings teach a moral idea.
Moral means about right and wrong behavior.
The gate is covered with carvings.
Covered with means many parts have something on them.
The sleeping cat is a small, hidden highlight.
Hidden means not easy to see.
Nikko Toshogu shows Ieyasu's legacy.
Legacy means something important, left from the past.
The path feels timeless.
Timeless means it does not feel limited to one time.
The waterfall feels powerful.
Powerful means strong and full of energy.
Local food completes the trip.
Complete means to make something feel finished.
Great job. These phrases are useful for many historical places.
Please try using them in your own travel English.
Today, we enjoyed Nikko Toshogu and its surrounding area.
We saw bridges, trees, gates, carvings, history, nature, and local food.
Nikko Toshogu is ornate, but it also feels quiet and deep.
That mix makes this place special.
We learned words like sacred, ornate, carving, and legacy.
We also learned useful travel phrases for history and nature.
Even simple English can describe a rich historical place.
That is the goal of this slow English trip.
Please watch again and repeat the phrases.
Repeating helps your listening and speaking.
Thank you very much for watching.
Please join us again on the next Slow English journey.
See you next time.
Goodbye.